Welcome. If you are looking for a way to make an endless loop video in Premiere Pro, you have come to the right place. Today I will share with you how you can make seamless or endless loop videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel if you are new here and hit the bell icon for never miss an update. Now, ladies and gentlemen, open your Premiere Pro software and get started. I have a 30-second video clip. Turn on loop option here. If you don't have this option, drag it from here. I don't need this full video, so let's choose the start and end points. Now cut your clip, delete the end clip. Go to the starting point of the video timeline. Now cut your clip to about 2 or 3 seconds. Delete the first 2 seconds clip and delete the gap that began left from the deleted video clip. Place the clip at the start of the timeline. Copy this clip holding Alt and dragging. Move the clip to the end of this clip. Here we go. Nice. Now let's take back the deleted 2 seconds by simply just dragging the video clip to the left. To the copied clip, cut here. Delete this extra clip. Add the playhead to the starting point of the 2 seconds video clip. Select the upper clip. Go to Effects Control. Add a keyframe to opacity. Set the opacity 100%. Then move your playhead to the right a little bit. Add another keyframe here to 0%. Place the final keyframe at the very end. That's all you need to do in Premiere Pro to create a seamless or endless loop video. So if there any audio, you can loop it as well. Now we have an audio clip with it. As before, cut your clip at 2 seconds. Delete the first 2 seconds clip and delete the gap that begins left from the deleted video clip. Place the clip at the start of the timeline by simply dragging the clip to the left. Copy this clip, holding Alt and dragging. Move the clip to the end of this original clip. Place it behind the original clip. Take back the deleted 2 seconds by simply just dragging the video clip to the left. Cut here. Delete this extra clip. Go to Effects Control, add a keyframe to opacity 100%. Then move your playhead to the right a little bit. Add another keyframe here to 0%. Place the final keyframe at the very end. Nice, clean and beautiful. You can obtain a better preview by rendering this. Nice. Go to Effects Control, add a keyframe here and set the label 0 dB. Move the keyframe to the starting point of the 2 seconds clip. Move forward a few frames, add a keyframe here and set the label to -50 or -60 dB. Drag this keyframe all the way to the end. Now the audio looks like this. Pretty nice. Next I go to effects. audio transitions, crossfade. Add the contrast power effect at the beginning of this audio clip. Voila, beautiful! You learn everything that you need and this tutorial in here. Apply those to your video clip. Try it yourself. If you get any problem, comment down below. Come on guys, we know that what I'm going to say next. See you in the next video.